Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair and makeup video for you guys. So it's gonna be a hair installation and makeup. Okay, so our sponsor for today's video is the hair company, and it's a Dyhair777. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, Dyhair77. Okay, this is the package that it came in, and you have got their website here. So this is the package, and I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I'll be installing on the model today. So this is how I'll be using this hair on my model. As well, I'll be doing her makeup. So use the code here for $10 off. Feels good. First impression, the hair feels good. It hasn't got a lot of gray. Okay, so and the density is really good, because some of them are really thin. You know, some hair are really thin, but this one, the density is really good, so it's quite full. Okay, and look at that, that's the closure. So you guys, first impression, the hair feels good. I love the coil pattern. There's no shedding. First impression, but obviously I'm gonna install it on the model. I'm gonna coil it so you guys can see for yourself. Okay, so first impression, it feels good. Okay, there's no grays, and the coil pattern is actually really good. So yeah, and you can use the coupon code here for $10 off, and I'm gonna put the link to Dyhair77 under this video. So all the links to their website, their Instagram, their Facebook, and the coupon code, and everything about this hair is gonna be under this video. Okay, so do open the description box, guys. So yeah, so now I'm gonna wash the hair and I'm back. The hair is washed now, so I did co-wash them. I'm gonna put them in the hair dryer. So guys, I did pick the hair. So you see the closure is looking better. So I did pick the part. So the part is more obvious, because before you cannot see the part. But look, yeah. So I picked the part. So meet my model. Hi. Yes. So her name is Nidim. See, she's pretty, right? So I'm gonna install the hair now. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the cornrows first, then I'm gonna be sewing the hair on the, so I'm doing sewing today, not wig. Okay, so that's it. Easier way to do that. You can bleach it, you can do whatever. Wow, your brows are already popping. Right. Oh my god. So I'm using oil control lotion, like the name says. Oil control lotion. I'm gonna apply that on the face. Natural radiance. Okay, so our face will be a little bit glowy. Okay, this is how the color looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that. You all know I love my MAC, so yeah, using MAC NW55. So I'm just gonna apply that all over the face. Ooh. See? Already covered. You don't need yellow, blue, pink, red, purple. You know, you don't need red, yellow, blue corrector to cover any spot. Look at that. It's already covered. Blend the neck a little bit, just so the neck is not gonna look different. Okay, so look at our face. So now it's time for highlighting. Okay, highlighting. So I'm using MAC. This is Pro Long Wear Concealer NC42. So I'm gonna do that under the eyes. Yeah, so now I'm gonna set the under eye. So this is banana powder, Ben Nye banana powder. So I'm using that to set the concealer with the nose. Okay, using the same color for the foundation, NW55. I'm gonna do the nose area, so I'm setting. Time, so you close your eyes, brows time. We close eyes and we don't talk, so you guys just watch. I'm gonna do concealer under my brows. So because I have this concealer here, I might as well just use it. The one I use for the under the eyes. So I'm gonna use that here. So for the shadow, I'll start with a brown Urban Decay Vibes palette. Okay, I'll start with this brown here. It's like black, it's dark, very dark, but it's not black, but it's not look like it's black. So I'm gonna use that all over. So I'm doing kind of a dark and a pop of color. So here is from the Vice palette again. I'll just sweep it here. So you're just gonna warm it up. Okay, so we're going for that nudish belly there makeup, then a little pop of color. So I'll do this Lala color, still from the Vice palette, just there. I'll smoke it out again. That's it. So I'm gonna do the lashes. to blend it out. So I'll start from here. Raisin, my favorite. It's that natural color. Yeah, it's a little bit more here. So I'm using the same brush I used to contour to just apply the blush. This brush is from Real Techniques, by the way, in case you're wondering. So I'm using Revolution palette. I love it. Very cheap, very affordable, and very pigmented. So I'm going to use this gold, and I'll mix with this one. I'm just going to apply that here. So after that, I'll go back with the same brush that I used for the blush and blend it together. Yeah, I like popping. So now I'm going to do the nose. Everywhere I need to pop. This is simple and nice. Highlighter here. Chestnut to the rescue from MAC. So for $55 and more you can get $10 off. So yeah, so you guys go check them out. So the hair so far, the hair is good. The only thing I don't like is the closure. So the closure, the part is not that defined, so they didn't come with a defined part. So when you try to kind of pick it as well, the knots are not like bleach. Maybe next time I try to bleach the knot, but even at that, when you pick the, when you twist it, you can't really get a defined line, okay? Because I don't know, the closure don't have this defined line, okay? That's the only downside about the closure that I have problem, because I have to kind of pick the closure. I love the texture, and the hair has got some short beads, so there's there are some short beads, okay? So I don't know, look at that, this is short, okay? So you experience those short beads, which is kind of annoying sometimes, you know, enclosures where you try to kind of stick them down. Yeah. But so far so good, the texture is nice. And another thing, when I washed the hair, the coil didn't stay, but yeah, you can always coil them, okay? The hair is affordable, so this is what you should expect from any affordable hair anyway. So yeah, so far so good, the hair feels good, and yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Obviously, guys, she is good at doing hair and makeup. Look at this. Obviously, guys, if you want to book her for anything, do it, because she's the best. And I want to thank the hair company for the hair as well. It's really good. It's nice.